St. George, Utah. Watch as this crazy man tries to enter multiple homes. Lewiston, Maine. A woman rings the doorbell with a knife in her hands. A truly terrifying sight for the homeowners. Alexandria, Virginia. Always lock your cars. Charleston, West Virginia. A group of teens break into a car in the middle of the night, thinking no one would notice. Missoula, Montana. This DoorDash driver decided to keep the food for himself instead of delivering it. Lawrence, Kansas. Lubbock, Texas. Two men break into a car while the owner watches and confronts them through the Ring camera.
Hey, I don't know what the fuck y'all are doing, but you better get the fuck up out my truck bed. I'm looking right the fuck up out y'all. I don't know what the fuck you think you're doing, but you better get the fuck up out my truck bed. Shut that shit. Get the fuck out of here.
I think I'm at the wrong house. Sorry, sir.
You ain't got nothing, bro. You better get the fuck up out my house. Are you fucking kidding me?
Macon, Georgia. A man is seen on Ring camera trying to break into multiple cars, one after the other. Fargo, North Dakota. This man tries breaking into multiple homes and eventually manages to get into one.
Why the fuck is you in my door? Yo, nigga, I see you. Yo, nigga, I see you. Hold on, let me call Jabril.
Santa Barbara, California. A man is spotted using some kind of tool to try and force his way into a home. Muncie, Indiana. A group of men is caught breaking into a car at 5 a.m., moving fast before the neighborhood wakes up. South Bend, Indiana. Imagine stealing a lawnmower at 7 a.m. Bold move to start the day. Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Redding, California. Boise, Idaho. A suspicious group is spotted roaming around an apartment complex, clearly up to no good. Corpus Christi, Texas. A teen is caught checking car doors at 4 a.m. Lafayette, Louisiana.
Your ass on camera, so you sit out there and try to fuck with somebody's shit if you want to. You're on camera.
Man, pop up. This time, put the cookies on your ass. I ain't trying to get shit.
Your ass on camera.
Yeah, you got me strapped.
Somebody.
Come outside.
Flagstaff, Arizona. A man is caught trying to enter a home that clearly isn't his. Clarksville, Tennessee.
No, you got 2 locks on your shit.
Carson, California. These neighbors took it upon themselves to cut down bamboo trees.
This is a good one right here. Right here.
That's how big that top is. Neighbors will do like that.
It'll be okay.
Gulf Shores, Alabama. A suspicious man is seen trying to enter a car at 4 a.m. Reno, Nevada. A man is caught on Ring camera stealing flowers like it's the most normal thing in the world. Aurora, Colorado. A Ring camera captures the moment a man breaks a window to steal a car. Little Rock, Arkansas. 2 teens are seen stealing property from a car as one of them points a gun to the house. Pueblo, Colorado. An unknown woman rings the doorbell at 1 a.m., leaving the homeowners uneasy and alert. Gulfport, Mississippi. 2 men are seen scouting around a house, clearly up to no good. Dover, Delaware. Always lock your car, or guys like this will come around and take everything they can.